What can be the topic for today? Art and craft. Lights remind me about the festival of light, Diwali. So today I brought a Diwali special video for you all, which is Diwali DIYs. All of these DIYs are so easy and yet look so elegant. And if at all you're wondering where I'm standing between so many lights, I'm at my dad's office, Lights Forever. If you like any of these lights or are interested in buying lights, I'll leave all his information down in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. Well, let's get started with our DIY video. For this DIY, it is super simple. Just a few tea light candle and tape. I'm using tape. You can use any lace or beads as well. Plain tea light candles look very boring. To give them festive vibe, we can decorate them using these things. And you're basically done. They look so cute and they are so easy to do. For this DIY, we will be reusing a CD, stick a diya on it. Now I'm using these pearl stickers and I'm sticking them, but you can decorate it the way you want. You can stick pearls, glitters, lace, anything. It's ready. As you can see, these was the plain brown diyas, but I've decorated and applied glitter on them. Now we need diyas, stickers, circles and decorative material with glue for this DIY. We're going to stick this diya over here and then the flowers. You can decorate it the way you want. I have used a glitter circle below. You can use normal paper circle as well, and it's done. The first one is done. Now we'll move on to the second one. I'm going to stick the diya in center for this one. And then use these stickers to decorate it. You can decorate it the way you want again. You can use glitter or lace or beads or anything you like. And it's ready. For this DIY, you will need a tea light candle, glue, glitter and a glass container. I'm using sponge, which is optional. Putting tape, then glue and then glitter. If you want, you can skip the tape part. But putting the tape will give you clean and straight edges like this. And believe it or not, we are almost done. Just put a candle and light it. Wow, it looks so festive and gives me full Diwali vibes. Wow. For this DIY, you will need a mason jar. I've taped it, some glitter, glue and sponge is optional. Apply some glue onto the mason jar and spread it. You can even use a paintbrush or your finger over here. Now I'm just dabbing on some glitter. If you have one with a handle, then dab glitter on the handle as well. And now just peel the tape. Here I'm using a pipe cleaner. You can even use a ribbon and tie it around the neck and put a sticker. Place the candle inside, light it, and wow, it looks pretty. For this DIY, you will need glitter, glass jar, a candle, glue, and here I'm taking a diya picture. You can take any and stick it. Here I'm using a sticker paper so that it is easier. Now I'm going to apply glue all around it. I'm using sponge. You can even use a paintbrush or normally apply it and sprinkle glitter on it. I've covered it completely with glitter. Now let's remove the diya picture which stuck. And I'm going to decorate it with a ribbon. So I've applied a ribbon and also a flower. Looks pretty, right? Now again an optional step. I'm adding a few shreds in here and then the candle. And now just light the candle. Wow, this looks so beautiful and mesmerizing. Perfect for Diwali. Happy Diwali in advance all of you. Enjoy and have fun.
enjoyed watching the video. All of these DIY was so easy and as pretty as these legs, weren't they? They'll make this festival of light the festival of joy as well for you. So if you like watching the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell button that you get notified each time I post a new video. And comment down below that which DIY was your favorite. So yeah, next week I won't be posting any video because I'll be busy in Diwali preparation. So, but next week I'll come back with an amazing video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is Danya signing off.